Have you ever wanted to create your own wine from your own vineyard at your home in Napa? Well, here you can. My name is Nadia Valenzuela with Corcoran Icon Properties, and I want to welcome you to 3316 Sonoma Highway. Set on just over 6 acres in the Carneros region in Napa, there's a home, metal shop, storage container, vintage barn, a shed, and a little over 1 acre Chardonnay vineyard. Ample room for expansion allows you to envision a family compound or a vineyard estate as your haven for relaxation. Indulge in culinary delights from Farm at Carneros Inn or Boonfly Cafe just up the road, or head east to the world-renowned Auberge Resort Stanley Ranch. This charming home offers 3 bedrooms, 1 full bath, and 1,120 square feet. It could be the main house or the guest home of your vineyard estate. Panoramic views of rolling hills, vineyards, and the awe-inspiring sunsets over the western horizon. Thank you so much for joining me here at 3316 Sonoma Highway. It's time to live, laugh, and love your Napa Valley dream in Carneros. Cheers!